Hello everyone, Dan Keith with Jeet Physiology More. Today is day 7, the final day of supplemental training for towards your progression of impossible challenges. So I want to do a quick recap. I've talked about several things. I talked about obviously different variations of like push-ups, pull-ups, training sessions we can do, and just keep in mind, remember, the push-up and pull-up is going to be a combination of muscular endurance and strength, and however the impossible squat is as well. However, the impossible squat is going to be based a lot more on muscular endurance. So here's what I recommend practicing, is practicing your different stances, your narrow horse stance. Do the pulses, hold, add some weight to really enhance your strength and your overall muscular endurance. And sometimes just get yourself distracted and maybe lost in something. Maybe listen to some music, maybe watch TV or something, or watch a video or whatever, maybe watch this video, and in the process, while you're watching the video, while you're doing whatever you're doing, just sit in this position for a while. That is going to help you progress to the impossible squat. Push-ups and pull-ups, like I said, you can do different training sessions as far as doing maybe just standard pull-ups, one set, and then maybe standard or wide, maybe even wide pull-ups, as part of the set, and then for the third part, maybe just do a horse stance and hold that for a while. And on the second set, you can add weight to either 1, 2, or all 3 of those. There's so many variations you can do. Change the angle up. Add some weight, subtract some weight. You go down slower, go faster. Do more repetitions for that muscular endurance. There are so many components that go into this, and so this is actually the last day. It's the last I'm going to talk about this until we actually do a challenge. I'm going to give you everyone at least a couple weeks or longer. I'm not going to announce right now when I'm going to do that challenge or have you do the challenge, but all I want you to do in the process is, if you have to go back and watch these videos, continue to train and things like that. Make sure you recover as well. If you're sitting there and you're actually trying to get further and further in this impossible challenge every day or every few days, you're going to burn yourself out. You're going to get discouraged. No, I want you to do the stuff. That's why I provided you this week's content with supplemental training, because you must work up to it, you must progress to it, and then after a period of time, once you work your ass off and do the things that it is going to take to get there, then you can test yourself. And if you're not where you want to be, do the supplemental training again and test yourself again. Wait a little while, do the supplemental training again, test yourself again, whatever it is. But don't burn yourself out by trying to sit there and, I'm not getting any farther. It's probably because you're testing yourself too much and you're putting too much focus on that, and you're not putting enough focus on the actual supplemental training. So that's what I want you to do today. I'm challenging you with finding your own way, that is the Jeet Kune way, and do your own kind of training, and do that supplemental training, and then you can test yourself within the next 1 or 2 weeks, and at some point within that time or after, I will reveal when I'm actually going to do the impossible push-up, impossible pull-up, and impossible squat challenge. Once again, my ultimate goal is to actually dominate, because like I said before, I did really well on the impossible squat. I think I said it was like three something or almost 4 minutes. I can't remember exactly. The impossible push-up was hard as hell. I didn't get that one. The impossible pull-up, I came pretty damn close. I got all the way up and about halfway back down before. And just to remind you, the impossible push-up is in the start upward position, going very, very slowly for 1 whole minute, very, very slowly, and you don't rest. As soon as your chest touches the ground, start going immediately back up, really, really slowly for a minute. So it's 1 minute all the way down, 1 minute all the way back up. That's to complete it. The impossible pull-up is the same thing, except you start in the hanging position, all the way up slow for 45 seconds, and don't pause immediately. Start coming back down slowly, all the way down for 45 seconds. And the impossible squat is just simply how long can you actually hold the not the narrow horse stance, the standard or the wide horse stance, keeping your back straight. How long can you hold that for? And to actually pass the challenge is a minimum of 2 minutes. Anything past that, you're doing pretty damn good. So do these things and embrace that discomfort today and challenge yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe you can know, and believe that you deserve it. Smash one, kick that like button. Just don't break it. Let's go out and do something. Do more than what you did yesterday. Get your ass up today and grind. What have you done today to push yourself, to grind, to embrace that discomfort? Remember, you can do anything you can put your mind to. You can achieve anything. As long as you are willing to put in that hard work and embrace more discomfort today and push past your mind. Take complete control. Push yourself. Let's go.